Hello parents and students. The purposes of this video is to help you navigate and show you how teams work. So I'm going to start by showing you once you log into Teams, your child will be assigned to a homeroom or a college. This is how my page looks like. So your child was given a daily schedule. So I'm going to go through the schedule. It doesn't mean that you have to follow it. It's just a guidance so students have a little bit of structure. But you have the opportunity to complete all these tasks, as you have time or you're available. So the first thing is that your child eats breakfast from 8 to 8:30. Between 8:30 and 8:45, your child is required to read the morning message and reply. So what you're gonna do is you go to your child's homeroom class. In this case, I already posted the morning message for tomorrow. Your child has to read it and then just reply what it says. I'm gonna go back to Teams because between 8:45 and 10, your child has to work in their first reading block. So your students know their college name. They know if they're either in Texas Treasure or if they are NDI. If your child is in Texas Treasure, I'm going to click here. And you are required to go to assignments. Once you are on the assignments, for tomorrow, the students have to complete the vocabulary and the author's purpose. Once you watch the video and complete the assignment, you take a picture and you post it here. That's for Texas Treasure. Now I'm going to go back to my Teams page. And if you are in any of the colleges, in this case, I'm going to explain on Franklin. I go to Franklin. I go to the assignments. Tomorrow, you're required to complete lesson 41. So you have to watch the video, and after you watch the video, you complete the independent work, and once you finish the independent work, you take a picture and you post it here. So that's how it works for the first reading block. I'm going to go after that. Between 10 and 11:15 is Eureka. For distance purpose and the distant learning purposes, Miss Allen and I will be sharing the videos. So it doesn't matter if you see a video that is recorded from me or Miss Allen, your child has to go to their homeroom page and they have to go to the Eureka. Okay. And they go to assignments. Okay, I'm gonna show you Miss Allen really quick. Miss Allen's homeroom. And I'm gonna go to assignments. So the Eureka, I go here. And we're going to be posting the video. The kid's supposed to watch the video. After they watch the video, they complete Module 7, Lesson 6. They have to complete the workbook. They have to send you a picture of the independent work and the exit ticket, and you post it here. We have already the tabs assigned for the week. I'm gonna go back to the Teams page. Between 11:15 and 12, it's the student's lunch. From 12 to 12:45 is the AR, and I'm going to show you how students log into AR. So the first thing you do, if you don't know where to go, you open a tab, and on Google, you put clever idea, and it's the first page, and your child is very familiar to how to log in. They put their student name. I'm gonna give you an example. They log in. Oops. Sorry, I think I typed something wrong. Bear with me. Let me try that again. clever idea then 80 69913. Perfect. Thank you for your patience. As you can see, you can scroll down and your child knows that in order to go to AR, you have to go to my on, and there's some books there, and I choose a book, and from there, it gives you the option to go and test. Your child is very familiar using this web page. That's from 12 to 12:45, where they read a book and they test. Their goal, remember, is to get an 85er or higher. Now, from 12:45 to 3:30, it's still on the same clever page. Your child is required to log into Hotspot, which is the Dreambox page right here. Your child is to complete 1 or 2 lessons per day. Now, I'm going to go back to the clever, and the clever, between 1:30 and 2:45 is the time that your child is required to do wit and wisdom. Again, Ms. Rodriguez and Ms. Alvarez will be sharing the videos. It doesn't matter who's teaching. Your child's required to complete the lesson of the day. They're gonna watch the lesson, and they're going to then complete what is required. I'm gonna go to Ms. Alvarez. And on assignments, you're gonna see here the one for wit and wisdom, and it's gonna be popping up tomorrow, and you'll be required to complete the assignment. Same thing, you watch the video, complete the assignment, take a picture, and post it there. And the last part of the day is that the students are required to watch a video with the coach and submit a ticket. Now, like I said, and we've been telling you, we're working on this together. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Any of us will be available to answer any questions. Like always, thank you for your patience. Thank you for being understanding. And we're working on this together. We're learning